If you've ever had trouble with your iPhone photos not saving to your camera roll, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix that. First things first, let's make sure iPhone has enough storage. If your storage is full, new photos might not be able to save to your camera roll. To check, go to settings, then tap on general and go to iPhone storage. Here you'll see how much space is left. Now, if you're running low, try deleting some old photos or apps you don't need to free up some space. Next, let's make sure your iCloud photos is set to correctly. Or another possible reason your photos aren't saved could be related to your iCloud settings. If you have iCloud photos enabled, your photos might be syncing to iCloud instead of syncing to your camera roll. What you can do is go back to settings and tap on your name, scroll down and tap on iCloud and hit on photos. Now simply toggle it on. This will keep your photos synced across all your devices. Sometimes a simple restart can solve a lot of issues, so go ahead and restart your phone. To do that, what you can do is simply hold the power button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Now another thing to check is your photo app settings. Sometimes the app might be misbehaving and a quick reset can help. Go to settings, scroll down to photos. Make sure the settings here are configured properly. Optimize iPhone storage is a good option if you're low on space. But if that's on, photos are not downloading to your camera roll, try toggling it off and selecting download and keep originals. And that's it. If none of these steps work, there may be a deeper issue with your device. In that case, it's a good idea to reach out to Apple support.